as you can see, we're packed. I'm packed. It's 7:30 Monday evening. Should have been in bed about an hour ago. We'll be up about 3:45 tomorrow. So yeah, just gonna have myself a wee nighttime beverage and call it a day really. I'll do another one when I'm on the road or on the ferry or something, but I'll take it easy tomorrow, no rush, take my time. If I get tired I'll just stop into a B&B on the way. See how it goes. Biggest worry is running out of petrol, but it's not like it's the middle of nowhere, so theoretically should be able to get fuel on the way. And the bike's starting tomorrow. It's been raining today, so speak to you soon.